This pen is the technology that touches the peak of professionalism. All existing 3D pens are large, heavy, uncomfortable, and uneasy to use.
Lix is designed to offer an entirely new experience to all the creative people. The enhanced dimensional features of Lix help them to come up with something unique and interesting.
Lix has a great potential and can be a perfect tool for stylists, architects, designers, and anybody who are interested in 3D printing.
In short, Lix has everything an experimenter needs. This small device will allow you to go beyond your imagination. Lix 3D printing pen is for you. If you love to experiment different things, it will open new possibilities in your creativity.
If you are stepping into a profession in a groundbreaking way, then this small and smart 3D printing pen will help you add that spark to your work.
Lix, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. Lix is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in Lix combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, Lix 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes. This exceptional pen is a small and smart pen that does not require paper. We are excited to share this amazing experience with you.
Well, nowadays people take thousands of pictures with their cell phones, but they never look at them. So we decided to create an object that will make them able to share pictures with their friend and family in a tangible way.
Print is the first smartphone case that prints out pictures instantly.
You just have to plug your smartphone, snap a picture, and it will print instantly.
We worked during a year on about 15 different prototypes to come up with one product that's really easy to use. For example, it doesn't use Bluetooth technology or Wi-Fi.
You can take a picture, but you can also use pictures from Facebook, Instagram, any picture that is already on your smartphone.
My biggest design challenge was to create an object that will work with different types of smartphones.
We're compatible with the iPhone 5, the iPhone 6, and also the Galaxy S4 and Galaxy S5. And we're trying to bring it to more smartphones.
So we don't need any ink cartridge. All the ink is already in the paper. You just have to hit it, and the picture will appear like magic. Like I said, what we really love about instant cameras is the whole experience. So we try